Hey everyone, I'm Joey. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a two-balloon Brontosaurus, also known as a long-necked dinosaur. We're going to jump straight into it, so if you appreciate that, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps my channel, and it's a super small, free way that you can show your support. You can also subscribe for more balloon tutorials, personal finance, and business tips. Some supplies you're going to need are your handy-dandy balloon pump, two 260 size balloon twisting balloons. Both those items can be found in the description below, and you may also want a Sharpie to draw your facial features. Once you've gathered your supplies and smashed that like button, let's get started. I'm going to inflate my first balloon to about 3 finger lengths tail. We're going to start by making a 3-inch section. I'm going to fold that section down and hold on to the nozzle here with the same hand that I'm holding the rest of my balloon. I'm going to put pressure on the rest of my balloon here with these back fingers as I lift up with my free hand on these two sections and twist it around to create 2 equal 3-inch sections. To lock it in place, I'm going to stick the nozzle through the two sections. Now I'm going to squeeze the balloon as I twist another 3-inch section, or maybe something slightly smaller than 3 inches. The reason I squeezed it before I twisted it is because I'm going to be fitting this piece in between these two other pieces, and that's going to be a tight fit, so I wanted to leave some room for the air to move around in this bubble. I'm going to fold these two first sections down in front of my third section. Then with my thumbs on the back of this section, I'm going to push it through these two sections as I use my fingers to pull these apart and roll the two sections around this third section. And we can pull the rest of this balloon down so that both twists get locked in with each other. This is going to be the head of the Brontosaurus, and now I'm going to make a 1-inch bubble right here. And we're going to turn this 1-inch bubble into an ear twist. An easy way for me to do ear twists is to fold both sections down so that the bubble that I'm gonna make an ear twist is on top. I'm going to put pressure on this side of the balloon under this twist and push it towards the opposite twist. I'm gonna push on this section because this is the section with my tail, and air has room to go through the balloon if I put pressure right here. So I'm going to push in right here, and with my free hand lift up this 1-inch bubble and twist it around a few times. Next, we're going to make the long neck of the Brontosaurus. So however long you would like that, make a twist at the end. Mine's going to be a little over 1 foot long. Now I'm going to make my front legs, which are going to be 2 6-inch sections. There's one, and to create the other one, I can just fold this up and put pressure on the rest of my balloon here in towards this twist, and then twist around my legs on the bottom here. Now we're going to create another 1-inch bubble and turn it into an ear twist. This ear twist is going to go in front of the neck so that the neck stands more vertical. Next, we're going to inflate our second balloon to about 3 finger lengths tail as well. I'm going to start by making the back legs using this second balloon, so I'm going to make 2 sections that are the same length as these first legs that I did. I've got one section, and to make the other one, I'm going to fold this balloon down, hold onto the nozzle, put pressure on the back of the balloon here, lift up these 2 twists, and twist it around. And just a reminder, every time you use the nozzle to make a twist, stick it through the section that you're working on so that it locks it in place. In order to connect my 2 balloons here, I want the remainder of my first balloon to be going towards the back and the remainder of my second balloon to be going towards the front. I'm going to make a 1-inch bubble with this remaining balloon on my first balloon. And I'm going to hold these 2 twists together at the top of the back legs and right here that I just made, and twist around this tiny tail type thing that I just made and the back legs at the same time. With my second balloon, I'm going to make a little rainbow arch to create the back of this Brontosaurus. And you can either put pressure where you want to twist it in with this joint right here, or you can create another twist right here to make it a little bit easier for yourself. I'm going to put pressure on both of these joints and wrap this remaining balloon around my front legs. Give the rest of your balloon a good squeeze. Now I'm going to double back on this shorter section here with the remainder of my balloon. Put pressure right here towards this joint and wrap it around my back legs. I'm going to create an ear twist with this 1-inch bubble that I have, so I'm going to hold the nub that is on this 1-inch bubble close to this joint, and with my free hand, I'm going to lift up the 1-inch bubble and twist it around a few times. I'm going to create one more ear twist so that it's symmetrical, and I'm going to do that by creating a 1-inch bubble in my tail here, and turning this bubble into an ear twist as well. Here is your basic 2-balloon Brontosaurus. If you want to get creative with it, you can add little white teeth around the edge here like I do for my T-Rex. You can check out that video next. If you want larger eyes on your Brontosaurus, you can also add 2 white sections for the eyes and just connect them with your teeth if you're making them. Use your creativity. This is definitely a fun shape to mess around with. You can even add a 10-inch or 12-inch balloon of the same color on the inside here, and that would fill in this gap area right here. But that's for you to decide on how elaborate you want to create your Brontosaurus. If this was helpful, don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps my channel, and it's a super small free way that you can show your support. You can subscribe to my channel for some more balloon tutorials, personal finance, and business tips. Let me know in the comments below what content you'd like to see next. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Joey. I'll see you next time.